India Cements. Nigel is here with us to tell us what the performance there was and what holds in measure for India Cements. Stock's down about 5%. Nigel, over to you.
You know, Prashant, in fact, India Cements is under some pressure in today's trading session. Now, if you just take a look at the numbers, well, they were as weak as expected. So no big surprise was there. In fact, if you have to look at the volumes, etc., it was a tad bit better. But what really wasn't clear was in terms of their debt number. If you take a look at the long-term, short-term debts that they have mentioned in their balance sheet, it appeared that, in fact, the debt had come in higher. Now, we had a few notes that came in the last couple of days, and Kotak as well, they weren't too happy in their note. They said that, in fact, the debt has come in higher, which is a bit of a worry. However, we have a con call that's there later today, and in fact, we expect some clarity coming in from there. But for the time being, the management has told us here at CNBC TV team that, in fact, the debt has come down. So this is the big clarification, because the big play on India Cements really is a deleveraging plan. And that's precisely what's happened. So what they tell us is that, in fact, the debt has come in lower by around 234 crores. That's in the standalone entity. And in terms of the consolidated entity as well, it's down 196 crores. So that, in fact, will really soothe the nerves of investors. This should come as some bit of a relief, because the stock was under pressure primarily because the debt reduction plan, supposedly, if you just take a look at the balance sheet, it didn't look like it was playing out. But now we, in fact, have a clarification coming in from the management, and they will be clarifying on the con call as well later today. I think it's at around 3 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. Or there as well, they'll be clarifying to the analyst community. But we have got this clarity, so important to alert to our viewers, because we have the management on our channel in the past tell us that they're focusing on deleveraging, and they tell us now that's precisely what's happened.